Hi there again. Okay, so got Tina here with me. We've just given you an amazing video out on why it's so important to get up and not sit. Look for it on YouTube, look for it on Instagram. It's there. It's got some really important information. Now we're going to share some more important information with you. And this is about walking. Now Tina, you walk your dogs every day, yes?
Yeah, I walk my dogs 5 days out of 7, sometimes 6 days out of 7.
Fantastic.
But we discussed my concern about the rabbit holes
Fantastic.
when I'm walking, because that encourages you to go like that
Absolutely.
rather than stay like
Okay,
that.
so can you just demonstrate that again for me?
So I want to be like this,
Yes.
because that's what I've been told to do.
Fantastic.
But I'm paranoid about falling down a rabbit hole and breaking my ankle. So I tend to walk the dogs hunched over so that I can see the rabbit holes coming towards me.
Right, so if I show you on this, so can we see here how this is the ideal shape for the human body, human spine for the head, and this is where most people are, and that creates that, which is arthritis. Now, why is that? Well, the 10-pound head here, which is supported by the strongest part of us, right, is supported by the strongest part of us. But a 10-pound head here is now 27 pounds, 40 pounds, 49 pounds, 60 pounds. And this is a problem because this creates ongoing stress over years and years, can potentially cause wear and tear in your neck. So Tina, you demonstrated beautifully how sort of the head sort of forward like this can create all this stress in here.
Yeah.
So what I'm encouraging Tina to do is, what we're going to encourage all of you to do is, rather than looking down, you're going to look ahead of you about 3 meters, 4 meters, and you're going to use your eyes to scan the floor, to scan the ground.
Yeah, so the technique is moving your eyeball rather than the neck.
Exactly that. So you're keeping this nice and relaxed, you're keeping that nice and relaxed, yeah?
Yeah.
So you're there. Now, that's important. So your head posture is important. But what we also discussed was how we always, when we walk, we're using the same muscles all the time. Same muscles all the time. And as you said, Tina, you walk at a pace, which is great.
Yeah.
Which is great. But you do that every time.
Yeah, and I'm always walking in the same direction.
And you're always walking in the same direction, which is forwards. So all we're doing is we're using just one group of muscles. So what I encourage Tina to do, and I'm encouraging all of you to do, right, is to use different muscles. So why don't you make the walk a bit more fun? So firstly, you can sort of change the pace. So you aim for a tree or something in the distance, and you say, okay, I'm going to really walk fast to that point. Then I'm going to go back to my normal pace.
Yeah.
So we're changing paces. So we're using the muscles in a different way. Okay, we're activating them more, we're using them a little bit less. So we're not activating, firing them at the same rate. The next thing that we want to do is we want to use the other muscles that are supporting and creating our ability to be able to stand and walk. And so what we want to do is we want to walk backwards. Now by walking backwards, what we're doing is we're using, Tina, may I borrow you? Okay, we're using sort of these muscles more as well, rather than just focusing on the muscles here at the front. So we're working these muscles down here. Now, the other thing that I'm going to encourage you to do is to walk sideways. So let's demonstrate that, Tina. Okay, so watch Tina. Okay, so come back for me this way. So there is this way. So Tina, let's do that again. Just take a step. That's it. Or you can do it this way as well. Cross over. Okay, and you just make it fun. And then what you do is you just change over, and you're still walking in the same direction. But what you would do is you would just change your direction so this way. So you're using sort of all the muscles around your pelvis and around your hips. Because Harvard University did a study on health and longevity and aging, and what they found was the ability to be able to get up off the floor without using your hands, right, was a really good indicator of how healthy you are. It wasn't your heart, it wasn't sort of your age, it was the ability to be able to get up. Because just think about it, when you're using your legs, what are you going to do? You're going to move around, aren't you?
Yeah.
And you're going to work your heart, you're going to move your body,
Yeah.
and that's such a good thing to do.
Yeah.
So, some amazing advice for you from Tina and myself. Really hope you're going to take this on board, share it with your friends, family, loved ones, share it with everybody. and make sure that they get this information as well. Look at for the other video, where we talk about sort of the glutes and sitting, because that's some useful information too. And we look forward to sort of seeing you here at Bedford Chiropractic Clinic and helping you as well. Tina, you're amazing. I think the BAFTA is definitely yours.
I hope you found that video useful, but please, I'd like you to like, share, subscribe, and of course if you turn on the notifications, you're going to get notified every time I bring out a new video. And I'm going to bring out a lot more videos helping you to empower your health and to improve your physical health and your mental health and your nutritional health. And I look forward to seeing you at the next video. Like, subscribe, press the notifications, and I'll see you soon.